You're driving along, maybe on your way to work or heading out for a weekend adventure when suddenly, a sharp, acrid smell fills your car's cabin. That unmistakable odor, it's burning oil. That smell is more than just unpleasant, it's your car's way of crying out for help. Something under the bonnet isn't right and your vehicle is sending you a clear distress signal. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, keeping all those moving parts running smoothly. If you're smelling burning oil, it means oil is leaking onto hot engine components, like the exhaust manifold. This isn't just messy, it's dangerous. Oil on hot parts can ignite, leading to engine fires or catastrophic engine failure. Even a tiny oil leak can quickly escalate, turning into a major expensive repair if left unchecked. The sooner you catch and address the issue, the more money you'll save, sometimes thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, it's time to act. Don't wait for warning lights. Your nose has already given you a head start. Together, we'll get your car running right and help you avoid costly surprises down the line. Smelling burning oil means your engine's sealed system has sprung a leak. Oil is escaping and hitting hot engine or exhaust parts, vaporizing instantly and creating that unmistakable smell. The most common spots, the exhaust manifold or catalytic converter, both get extremely hot. Every drop of oil that burns off is oil your engine desperately needs for lubrication and cooling. Low oil means more friction, more heat, and a much higher risk of engine failure. That smell is a double warning. You have a leak and you're losing vital oil. Don't ignore it. Let's look for other signs to pinpoint the problem. Burning oil isn't just about the smell. Watch for smoke from the engine bay, especially after driving. Check your oil dipstick regularly. A dropping oil level means the leak is real. If your oil pressure warning light flickers or stays on, stop immediately. Your engine is in danger. Notice if the smell is stronger with the heater or AC on. That means fumes are coming from your own engine. These clues confirm the problem is yours, not the car ahead. Pay attention to these signs. They'll help you catch the issue before it gets worse. Now, let's uncover the most common causes. If you've ever smelled burning oil while driving or after parking, you know it's a sign something's off under the hood. That odor usually points to one of 5 main causes. Let's break them down quickly. First, spilled oil after an oil change is the most common culprit. Even a small drip on the engine or exhaust can create a strong smell as it burns off. This is usually harmless and fades as the oil evaporates, but always check for spills and clean them up after maintenance. Second, a leaking valve cover gasket. Over time, these gaskets can crack, letting oil drip onto hot engine parts and causing that unmistakable smell. If ignored, the leak can get worse and even cause engine problems. Third, loose oil filters or drain plugs. If these aren't tightened properly after an oil change, oil can leak out, creating both a mess and a risk of low oil levels. Always double-check these after every oil change. Fourth, a clogged PCV valve. When blocked, it builds up pressure inside the engine, forcing oil past seals and causing leaks. Regularly inspect and replace the PCV valve to prevent this. Fifth, worn oil pan or crankshaft seals. These can degrade over time, especially in older cars, leading to persistent leaks and burning smells. These leaks are harder to fix and may need a professional. Spotting and fixing these issues early can save you from bigger repairs. In the next section, we'll show you how to check for leaks and make simple fixes to keep your car running smoothly and odor-free. Suspect an oil leak? Start with a visual inspection. Engine cool, bonnet up, torch in hand. Look carefully around the engine bay, especially where oil is likely to escape. Leaks can be obvious or just a faint sheen, so take your time. Check the oil filler cap for residue. Sometimes oil splashes out when topping up, making it look like a leak. Wipe it clean, then check again after a short drive. If it stays dry, you're probably fine. Inspect the oil filter and drain plug. Common leak spots, especially after an oil change. Look for oil seeping out or drips underneath. Tighten by hand if loose, but don't over-tighten. A snug fit prevents leaks without damaging threads or gaskets. Check valve cover edges for wet spots or grime, a sign the gasket might be leaking. Clean the area and monitor for fresh oil after a drive. If you spot a leak, decide if it's a DIY fix or time for a mechanic. Small leaks are often easy to handle, but bigger jobs may need a pro. Regular checks keep your engine healthy and your wallet happy. A few minutes now can prevent costly repairs later. The PCV valve is a tiny part with a huge job, venting pressure from your engine. If it clogs, pressure builds and oil leaks past seals, even if the seals are fine. Checking it is easy. Remove, shake, and listen for a rattle. No rattle, replace it. Swapping a PCV valve is a quick, cheap fix, often under 10 minutes and a few pounds. If your car has over 50,000 miles and you're chasing leaks, replace the PCV valve first. It's simple preventative maintenance that can stop leaks before they start. Don't overlook this small but mighty part. Some signs mean you must stop driving immediately. If the oil pressure warning light stays on, pull over and shut off the engine. That's a red alert. Thick smoke from under the bonnet, major leak, risk of fire. Get out and stay clear. Loud engine noises, knocking, grinding, clattering, mean your engine is starving for oil and destroying itself. Don't try to limp home. Call for a tow. A small leak can wait, but these danger signs can't. The cost of a tow is nothing compared to a new engine. Listen to your car. Burning oil is an early warning. Investigate, act fast, and know when to stop. Fix it right, fix it now, and keep your car safe and reliable.